conviction, or else your name go dey story. Okay, I bring down this video for you to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also share. Let's go.
And other related offences commission. Mr. Bokachua had, during the valedictory session of the 9th Senate, confessed to influencing his wife in the discharge of her duties as president of the Court of Appeal between 2014 and 2020. The court says the words uttered on the floor of the Senate went beyond the words that can be covered by Section 39 of the 1999 Constitution. It also noted that the invitation by the ICPC has been interpreted wrongly by Senator Bokachua, and the suit is an attempt to shield himself from investigation. Recall that Senator Bokachua, while speaking during the valedictory session of the 9th Assembly, said his wife extended her help to some of his colleagues. Justice Bokachua also reacted to the statement, emphasizing that she never at any time